Okay, good morning, student. Algebra assignment number 1. We will continue in the next sum, page number 23rd. Very important. From the word problem side, they have asked this question maximum time. So, try to understand. Boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream. Upstream means opposite to the force or the flow of water. Downstream means in the direction of flow. So both the speed we don't know. So higher speed will be of both definitely. So let the speed of boat is x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of water is y kilometer per hour. Same direction downstream. Speed of boat x plus y kilometer per hour. Opposite means upstream. Now, direction speed distance time. Direction down means in same side x plus y. Direction upward opposite x minus y. Downward it is 24 kilometer. Upward 16 kilometer. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So 24 by x plus y. 16 x minus y. And the total time taken is 6 hours. So all the speeds are kilometer per hour. This is only in kilometer. This is only in hours. This is the direction. So your first equation will be this plus this is equal to this. 24 x plus y plus 16 x minus y is equal to 6. Exactly second direction speed distance time. Same direction means downward direction. Opposite direction means upward direction. At that time speed also will be the same. This is round 2. So this time downward is 48 kilometer. Upward it is 36 kilometer. I am explaining full this table again. Let me finish with this equation. This time 13 hours. So direction speed always kilometer per hour. This is kilometer. This is hours. So first time plus second means up and down time. Total time is 30. Now try to understand this. in the river. Speed of boat we don't know, so x. Speed of water, that also we don't know. Both we have to find out, so y. If both are in same direction, total speed will increase, so x plus y. If both are in opposite direction, speed will decrease. So you have to compare which will be more, boat speed will be more. So x minus y. So first individual boat speed, then individual water speed, then in same direction, total. In opposite direction, subtraction. But in total there is no problem, which is higher, which is lower. But in subtraction, from higher speed to lower speed, then this. Direction, speed, distance, time. So direction given means in same direction at that time this much kilometer travel. 26 kilometer down, then 16 kilometer up. Going time this much, that we don't know. Coming time this much, also that we don't know. It is in the variable. But yes, going plus coming, it is 6 hours. So first plus second is equal to third. First round, first equation. Second round, with this speed travel this much kilometer, how much time? So time is equal to distance by speed. This is down speed, then upstream in opposite direction, 36 kilometers. How much time? Don't know. So going time, coming time, total time. So this is equal to 30. By table no, so formation of equation, it is very important, then it is very easy to solve. So in both the equation number 1 and 2, substitute 1 by x plus y is equal to capital A. 1 by x minus y is equal to capital B. Now it will be very easy. 24a plus 16b, capital A, capital B, 6. Capital A, capital B, I can't divide this by 2 because this is odd number, but I can multiply by 2. So multiply by 2, equation first, 48a plus 32b plus equation number 2, sorry, minus, because same alphabet. Minus, minus, minus. 48 minus 48, 0. 36 minus 32, it is 4. But bigger figure. This minus this. So B is equal to minus 1 by minus 4. So B is equal to 1 by 4. And B you have considered x minus y. B you have considered x minus y. So x minus y is equal to 4. That is equation A, for example. Now substitute B in any equation. For example, I will take this. Any, these, any take any out of 4. Simple one, 24a plus 16b, 6. 24a plus 16 into 1 by 4 by substituting 4 4s are 24a plus 4 is equal to 6. 24a is equal to 6. 26 minus 4, 24. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 1 by 12. And 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by x plus y. So, x plus y is equal to 12. Denominator, that is b. Now, x plus y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 4. By adding, this will cancel. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 8. And we know that x plus y is equal to 12. 8 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 minus 8. Y is equal to 4. So, B, this what we have done, B plus A. This what we have done, divide by 2. Substitute x is equal to 8. Then directly you will get y. Okay. So x is what? Speed of boat is equal to 8 km per hour. Speed of water if in the starting, if you will get wrong direction, suppose down, you will consider x minus 1, and up, you will take up means positive, so x plus y. So overall this solution will be the same, but you will get x 4 and y 8. Then you will get the speed of boat is 4 km, speed of water is 8 km. That is wrong. So again, this is called decoding. What we have considered, again that you have to substitute. Don't write x is equal to this, y is equal to this in word problem especially, because you have considered what is x and y. Listen carefully, very scholar students are doing this mistakes. So don't write x is equal to this, y. So when you will decode what is x, at that time you will realize why this is coming opposite answer, that speed of boat, why it is less than speed of water, because we have taken wrong condition. So upstream means opposite to the flow of water, so minus. Downstream means in the flow of water. Picture is also given, but from that you can't make out that which is up and which is down, because the flow of water also you don't know. So that is very important, that what you are considering. Okay, if you are getting reversible answer, no, so here you can change. Suppose I got here 8 and here 4, so I will change here x and y. So automatically all the things will be equal. But don't do up, or up means minus, down means plus. Then 26. Two numbers differ by 3. Sum of twice the smaller number, twice the greater number is 19. You have to change the number. In textbook, I think it is given 16 or something. Two numbers differ by 3. Let greater number be x, smaller number be y. Differ by 2. Therefore, greater minus smaller, sum of twice the smaller, twice the greater, twice of smaller plus twice of greater is equal to 90. So 2y plus 3x is equal to 90. Now always no need to make the coefficient equal and then solve. No. From here you can take x is equal to 3 plus y. So by substituting x is equal to 3 plus y, 2y plus 3, x plus y, 3 plus y is equal to 90. So 2y plus 9 plus 3y is equal to 90. 5y plus 19, 5y 19, 19 minus 9, y is equal to 1, you got smaller number, but x is equal to 3 plus y, 3 plus 1. Therefore, greater number is x is equal to 4. Smaller number is y is equal to 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And double of this means 2. 3 times of this. 4 is a 12. It's not stable. Wait. These are substituted. This is a line, this 5 and this side 5. Silly mistake. See. It's 2. If it is 2 and it is 5. Extremely sorry. See, this type of silly mistake also can be done by you also. Okay. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2. 2 is a 4. 5 is a 15 plus 4 90. So both the equation should be satisfied. Then your answer is correct. That is when quadratic equation and simultaneous equation you have to tally both the equation. Second, find the value of x and y. Find the parameter of the rectangle. Two x plus 4, 2x plus y plus 8, 4x minus y, 2y, x plus 4. It is rectangle. Find x and y, find area, find parameter, all the things. Listen, they have given rectangle, but they have not given opposite sides are equal. So, rectangle A, B, C, D. So, given that rectangle ABCD, what is the ABCD is rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Correct. So AB is equal to what? 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y, and here 2y is equal to x plus 4. So 4x minus 2x, y plus y plus 8. I have taken this y here, so minus to plus. I have taken this, so minus. So 2x, 2y, 8, all divided by 2. So y plus 4 is equal to x. I'll substitute x. Substitute x is equal to y plus 4. 2y, y plus 4 plus 4. 2y minus y, 8. Again substitute. So x is equal to 12, y is equal to 8. Now we have to find out the parameter of rectangle ABCD. Parameter of rectangle ABCD is equal to AB, BC, CD, DA. Don't substitute direct, just put as it is. This is x, first length, then second length, then third length, then fourth length. So how much x? 2x plus x, 3x plus 4x, 7x. How much is y? This y and y will cancel. 2y. How much number? Only 8 and 4. 12. Like this, not to find individual sides because they are not asked. 12 7 is 84. 16, 84, 16, 100, 112. Centimeter they have not given. So unit. Now area. Which is small length, which is small break, that you have to take. So AD, DC. 2y okay, so this is 8xy minus 2y square x and y both, x y 2 y 8 8. So 8 8 the 64, it is common. Don't multiply all the things. This is common, this is common. So 12 minus 2. That is a lengthwise, single dimensional. Parameter, sum of all four sides. Single unit, it is a unit. Area, unit into unit. Square unit. First, second, I have given, and fourth and sixth I have given. Very important questions. Fourth, denominator of the fraction is 4 more than the twice of the numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. If both denominator and numerator are reduced by 6, find the fraction. Let numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore, fraction form x by y. Condition number 1. The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than the twice of numerator. Denominator is 4 more than twice of numerator. So y is equal to 2x plus 4. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. Denominator becomes 12 times if both are reduced by 5, reduced by 6. Numerator minus 6 is equal to x minus 6. Denominator 6 is equal to y minus 6. At that time, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Denominator becomes a 12 times numerator. So y minus 6 is equal to 12 times x minus 6. Correct. Now y is already given. Substitute. Do very intelligent work. Now this is 2x minus 6. 12 6 are 72. This side. 72 minus 6. 12x minus 2x. So 10x. Something went wrong. The denominator fraction is 4 more than numerator. That is correct. If both numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, then denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. That is okay. See again there is. Okay, so this is 70. So x is equal to 70 divided by 100. So x is equal to 70. And we know that y is equal to 2x plus 4. So y is equal to 2, 7 plus 4. So numerator is equal to x is equal to 7. Denominator is equal to y is equal to 28. Check. See again. 70 is 14 plus 4, 18. And here it is 12 times. After reduction of this, reduction 6 means 1, reduction 6 means 12, so it is 12 times. So both the conditions are fulfilled. So the fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So it is 7 by 18. Final answer is this. Six. That is also very important. 1900 kilometers. We shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. with the average of 60 and the average of plane is 700. Take 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance. Sixth sum. Name, speed, distance, time. Name they have given two. Bus and aeroplane. Speed 60, speed 700. Distance don't know. Distance don't know. But the distance total is 1900 or 1000. 1900. This is in kilometer. This is in hours. This is in kilometer per hours. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So x by 60, y by 700. So distance traveled from A distance to B distance by bus with the speed of 60. So this is x distance. From here, this distance traveled by plane with this much speed. So total distance traveled, that is 1900. How much time taken, that we don't know. How much time taken, that we don't know. But the total time taken 5 hours. This is the summary of the question. Correct? So condition number 1, total distance is x plus y is equal to 1900. Therefore, x is equal to 1900 minus 5. Time total they have given x by 60 plus y by 700 is equal to 5 by 1. Now we will take the LCM. X by 60 plus y by 700, 5 by 1. Here take 700, no problem. 600, multiple of both. So 700 x plus 60 y is equal to 6 5 are 330, 300 into 700. So 700 x plus 60 y 21 4 zeros. Now 10 and 10 cut. So 70 x plus 6y is equal to 21 0. Now x we know. $1900 minus y plus 6y 1000. Correct? So this comes this side, this comes this side. So this is 64 minus, so plus.
So less than 1 minute remain.
Okay. So distance traveled by this. So make it half.